In this video, we're going to work through 4 examples for converting improper fractions to mixed numbers. If you remember my video on this, the steps are: write down the denominator of your fraction. Then see how many times the denominator will go into the numerator evenly. That ends up being your whole number. Any remainder that is left gets put over the denominator and is our proper fraction. Pause the video, work through these 4 problems yourself, and then unpause to see if we get the same answer. Let's get started. Example 1. Convert 23/5 to a mixed number. First, let's write down 5 as our denominator in our proper fraction portion. Next, we divide 5 into 23, and it can go 4 times evenly. 4 becomes our whole number. 5 times 4 is 20, which leaves us with a remainder of 3. We put the remainder of 3 over 5, and our mixed number is 4 3/5. Now, if you wanted to double check this, you can convert the mixed number back to the improper fraction. You multiply your denominator by our whole number, and we get 20. Add the numerator of 3 and get 23. 23/5 is the improper fraction. Example 2. Convert 58/10 to a mixed number. We write down our denominator of 10 for our proper fraction. We divide 10 into 58 and we get 5 with a remainder of 8. 5 becomes our whole number and 8 goes over our denominator of 10. If you look at the result, which is 5 8/10, you can see we need to simplify it further because we know that 2 will go into both 8 and 10. We divide the numerator and denominator of our proper fraction by 2 and we get 5 4/5. Example 3. Convert 36/8 to a mixed number. We write down 8 for the proper fraction portion and divide 8 into 36, which we know will go in 4 times. 4 becomes our whole number, and we have a remainder of 4. That goes over our 8, and our mixed number is 4 4/8. And we can quickly see that 4 is a factor of both 4 and 8, so we can simplify it down to 4 1/2. Example 4. Convert 19/3 to a mixed number. We set up our proper fraction with a denominator of 3. Dividing 3 into 19, it goes 6 times, which becomes our whole number. 6 times 3 is 18, so we have a remainder of 1, which goes over the 3 for a mixed number of 6 1/3. So hopefully you did well with these 4 examples. If you did, drop me a comment below. If you find these videos helpful, help me out and subscribe with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.